Let's bring our headliner, though. He is back once again, going to celebrate his love of all things blues. Please put your hands together and welcome back to the Zuiderdam stage, Gary Sletcher!
In Africa, the rhythms of the drum sound something like this. But if you step over the Atlantic Ocean onto American soil and you catch a train down to Memphis, the pace begins to ease. And if you meander down the Mississippi River towards New Orleans, time really starts to mellow as you start to take in and soak in the rich tapestry and history of the Delta Blues. Back to me, yeah, back to me. The men don't know what the little girls, they understand. Early in the morning, when the rooster crows, something tells me I got to go. Well, I am back to me. Well, I am back to me. The men don't know what the little girls, they understand. Cried, won't you let him down? I'd rather be dead than sleeping in the ground. Husbands, when you come home, you eat your pork and beans, but I eat more chicken than any man seen. Back to me. I'm back to me. Yeah, little girls, they understand. Little girls understand. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, what a band. What a band. That's great. Thank you for being here. Well, America took the roots music and rhythms of Africa and they finessed it. And then they exported it back to the rest of the world. So thank you, America. I really appreciate that. Because in Cape Town, where I come from, we have a huge blues following. And there's a blues band in nearly every second nightclub. And apparently it's big in Japan. And I know it's big in the UK. There's a chap, goes by the name of Eric Clapton. Yeah? Yeah. And, well, he made it rich and famous out of American blues. And I would like to play a cover, Eric Clapton's version of a Robert Johnson song. Crossroad Blues, ladies and gentlemen. crossroads, fell down on my knees. I went down to the crossroads, fell down on my knees. Ask the Lord above for mercy, save me if you please. I went down to the crossroads, try to flag a ride. I went down to the crossroads, try to flag a ride. Nobody knew me, everybody passed me by. Hey, take it away, hey. Tell him I'm standing at the crossroads, and I feel like falling down. Crossroads, got down on my knee. Yeah, I'm going down to the crossroads, gonna fall down on my knees. I'm gonna ask the Lord above to save me if you please. Yeah. Now, I love my band, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, let me introduce the band. How's it, guys? I'm Gary. Nice to meet you all. we only just met for rehearsal this morning, this afternoon, actually. And that's how awesome they are. They just nail it. They just nail it. Yeah. Howling Wolf, he got his name when a wolf from a local graveyard got into his guitar, and he's been howling hell at the moon ever since. Yeah. Just got to catch my breath. He said that this next song was inspired by watching the trains at night. He said, we used to sit out on the porch at night watching the trains go by and seeing the sparks coming out of the smokestack. And that was Smokestack Lightning. Whoa, smokestack lightning shining like gold. Oh, baby, can't you hear me crying? Oh, oh, oh. Tell me, baby, last night. Oh, can't you hear me cry? Oh, oh. Yeah, tell me, baby, stop that train, let a poor boy ride. Why can't you hear him crying? Oh, oh. Tell me, baby, who been here since I've been gone? Little bitty boy, girl, be gone. Ooh, ooh, oh, oh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The blues and gospel music had a wild love affair. They swapped licks like juicy gossip at a church picnic. Gospel cried salvation, but the blues took a train down to the crossroads to make a deal with the devil. If music was the house of the rising sun, the blues would be sneaking in the back door, while gospel was the knocking on the front. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna shoot you right down, right off of your feet. Take you home with me, put you in my house. Boom, 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 boom. How, 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 how. I like the way you walk, like the way you talk. Tell me that you love me. I like it like that. That baby talk. Yeah, me too. Walk that walk. Talk that talk. Walk that walk. Talk that talk. You walk that walk, walk that talk. Talk that talk. Walk that hey ho. Walk that walk. Tell that, tell you. When you walk that walk, and you talk that talk, tell me that you love me. I like it like that. That baby talk really knocks me out. Yeah, take it away, boys. Walk that walk. Talk that talk. Talk that walk. Thank you. Yeah. In Hooker's Tale, his guitar danced like a tipsy cat. He could make a ruckus with every twang from under that big old hat. From alleyways to juke joints, his blues had sway. John Lee could raise the dead and make them want to boogie the night away. One bourbon, one scotch, one beer. Hey, Mr. Bartender, come here. I want another drink and I want it now. My baby's been gone, she's been gone 2 nights. I ain't seen my baby since the night before last. So one bourbon, one scotch, one beer. And I sat there, getting high, stoned, knocked out, groovy, feeling good. And I looked down at the bar, at the bartender, and I say, hey. You say, what do you want? One bourbon, one scotch, one beer. Yeah, my baby, she's gone. She's been gone 2 nights. I ain't seen my baby since the night before last. I wanna get drunk, get off of my mind. One bourbon, one scotch, one beer. And then I sat there, getting stoned, high, knocked out, feeling good, mellow. I looked down at the bar, the bartender. I say, hey. You say, what do you want? I say, one bourbon, one scotch, one beer. Yeah, and I sat there getting high, stoned, far out. Yeah, and I look at the wall, you know, the clock on the wall. See, it's 1:45. Last call for alcohol. I look down at the bar, at the bartender. I say, hey. You say, what do you want? One bourbon, one scotch, one beer. Mr. John Lee Hooker, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Muddy Waters. He got his name, he died when his mom, died during childbirth. And so his gran raised him, his grandmom. And she called him Muddy because he liked to play in the muddy waters down by the deer ponds. The name Waters came way later, when he started playing in local bands as a harmonica player. His songs are, and his lyrics are about a type of voodoo called mojo, an old African magic tradition. I got my mojo working mojo working. It just won't work on you. I wanna love you so bad until I don't know what to do. I got my mojo working. 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 Just won't work on you. I went down to Louisiana to fet my mojo hands. I went down to Louisiana to find my mojo hand. I'm gonna have all your women right here under my command. I got my mojo working. 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 It just won't work on you. Hell raising hell. Gypsy woman giving me advice. I got a gypsy woman giving me advice. I got a whole lot of tricks, keep you here all night. I got my mojo working. 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 It just won't work on you. I got my mojo working. 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 It just won't work on you. Yeah. I got my mojo working. 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 It just won't work on you. Oh no. Thank you very much. Oh, yeah. If anyone sees my vocal cords lying around, just pass them back to the stage. You can dip them in tequila first. In 1930, the state of Georgia gave birth to a legend. He had his setbacks in life, including losing his eyesight to glaucoma when he was young. But he truly had vision because he went on to become one of the most iconic musicians in music history. Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about none other than the late, great Ray Charles. Georgia, oh George, the whole day through, just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. I say, Georgia, Georgia, a song for you comes as sweet and clear as the moonlight through the pines. Other hours they reach out for me. Other eyes they smile so tenderly, stealing on peaceful dreams. I see the road leads back to you. In Georgia, at Georgia, no peace I find. Just an old sweet soul keeps Georgia on my mind. Georgia, Georgia, no peace I find. Just an old sad soul keeps Georgia on my mind. On my mind. On my mind. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Got to dry my tears. It's such a beautiful song. Little Walter, he died at 37 in a bar fight in Chicago. He was taking a break from playing a set, and he got into a fight. I'm not sure why. Probably about a woman. He had been beaten up by the police a few times before that, and his doctor said to him, if you take another blow to the head, it might be your last. And it was. No one was really surprised to see how he died, because he was a hard-drinking, hard-living man with one hell of a temper. He played in the band with Muddy Waters for a time, but they couldn't keep him down. A genius like that just can't be contained. It would be like trying to pull a comb through Don King's hair. Little Walter, ladies and gentlemen. There no cheating, my babe. My babe, don't stare no cheating, my babe. Oh, my babe, don't stare no cheating. She don't tell none of that midnight creeping on my babe. Sweet little baby, my babe. Oh, my babe, I know she loves me, my babe. Oh, my babe, I know she loves me, my babe. My babe, I know she loves me. She don't do nothing but kiss and hug me, my babe. Pretty little darling is my babe. Yeah, my babe, I know she loves me, my babe. Oh, my babe, I know she loves me, my babe. Yeah, my babe, I know she loves me. She don't do nothing but kiss and hug me, my babe. Yeah, true little darling is my babe. I say, my babe, she don't stand no creeping, my babe. Oh, my babe, she don't stand no cheating, oh, my babe. Yeah, my babe, she don't stand no cheating, or getting at none of that midnight creeping, oh, my babe. True little baby is 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 my babe. Yeah. That's a little waltzer, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we've almost come to the end of our show. It's gone so quickly, just like the last show, and we've been having a lot of fun up on the stage. But anyway, well, we went from Africa to America, and I'd like to come full circle. Let's go back to Africa for a little while, and do this little clicky song. Lentela ayanko ngukwane iklika lentela ayanko ngukwane iklika lentela ayanko ngukwane selekwela letna baba ayanko ngukwane selekwela lelo baba ayanko ngukwane selabela letu habo bayanko ngukwane selabela letu haba bayanko ngukwane. Oh yeah. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you've had fun. We certainly have, and we'll see you on the deck. I'd like to introduce the band to you, ladies and gentlemen. On keyboards, or should I say piano, he plays them all, Crazy Chris. Yeah. And on guitar, Hell Raising Al. And on bass, we have Tom the Bomb. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, on the drums, we have the chairman, Jordan. Yeah. And please, a warm round of applause to Papa Noi and the team doing sound and lighting. You guys are doing an awesome job. What a bunch of professional, amazing guys. My name's Gary Sletcher. I hope to see you again soon. And if I see you on the top deck, come say hi, come take a drink. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I went down to the crossroads, try to flag a ride. Well, I went down to the crossroads, try to flag a ride. Nobody seems to know me. Everybody passed me by.